Carry on! On Minis with roof rails, you can easily mount railing carriers as base for roof transport. Clean the roof rails on your Mini before fitting the railing carriers. Do it right! The sticker on each support foot of the railing carriers shows the correct position. Check the manual for detailed info. Start by mounting the front railing carrier. Pull out the hand wheel on the support foot and turn it anti-clockwise to open the fastening claw as far as possible. Position the center of the support 25 cm from the front end of the roof rails. Spot on! Perfect positioning is key for traffic safety and to prevent damages to your Mini or to the roof carrier system. Turn the hand wheel on one support foot clockwise to tighten the fastening claw by hand. Do the same on the opposite side. Now it's time to fix the carrier. Turn the hand wheel further clockwise until a click signals that the fastening claw is tight. Turn and press the hand wheel further to lock it in position. Fixed. Once again, proceed on the other side of the railing carrier. And finish on the rear. Here you need to position the carrier feet 70 cm from the front roof rails. Ready! Now mount your favorite roof transport solutions like Mini ski and snowboard carriers, roof box or roof bike carriers. The cover strips protect the cross members from dirt when no attachments are installed and also reduce wind noise. Check out our other how-to videos for more about your Mini.